أندرو تيت أو تاجر البشر كما يسمونه البعض، أكثر الأشخاص شهرة في زمننا الحالي والأكثرهم تأثيرا في عالم السوشيال ميديا، بل وشهرته تخطت أشهر الشخصيات والرؤساء في العالم. أثار كل هذه الضجة بسبب انتقاده لكبريات دول العالم مثل الولايات المتحدة الأمريكية وكيف يريدون أن يسيطروا على عقول البشر، واختلافه أيضا مع فكرة المساواة بين الرجل والمرأة، مما أدى إلى غضب عار في بعض الدول الغربية لم يتقبلوا الفكرة تماما. وما زاد الطين بلة هو اعتناقه لدين الإسلام ونشره لأفكار كتاب الله، والغريب في الأمر هو أنه تنبأ لسجنه إذ أكمل في هذا المنوال، وهذا ما حصل له.
been released from it and have now been placed under house arrest. While it's not exactly full freedom for the Tate brothers,
لكن مؤخرا تم إطلاق سراحه، ولكن لا ندري إذ سيقومون بسجنه مرة أخرى أم لا. فاليوم إن شاء الله سندرس قصة أندرو تيت باللغة الإنجليزية كالعادة، وسنتعرف عن مصدر ثروة هذا الشخص والبطولات التي فاز بها وجنسيته وأين ترعرع. قصة مشوقة جدا ورائعة حول شخص رائع جدا. Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's go. Andrew Tate is a man who likes to do many different things. I like to do what? Yes, to do many different things. He loves to do many different things. A lot of things. He is fighter and businessman and social media personality. What is he? Yes, businessman, fighter, okay, and businessman and social media personality, okay. He is famous on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, social media platforms, all social media platforms, and Twitter as well. So he is businessman, fighter, and social media personality. Andrew Tate was born in the United States of America, but he grew up in England. Was he born in England? No, not England. He was born in the United States of America. And he grew up in England. So he started kickboxing when he was teenager. It start what? Yes, kickboxing. He started kickboxing when he was teenager. Teenager? What is teenager? Teenager. Teenager means when he was 10 years old or 11 years old or 13 years old, 14 years old, okay? Teenager from 10 years old to 19 years old, okay? This period means teenager, okay? So when he was teenager means when he was 10 years old or 11 years old, 12 years old, 13 years old, and so on, until 19 years old, okay? And he became very good at it. He became very good at what? Yes, kickboxing. He became very, very good at kickboxing. And he won many championships. And he became a world champion. What did he become? Yes, he became a world champion at kickboxing. And after he retired from kickboxing, after he stopped kickboxing, Andrew started his own business. What did he start? Yes, his own business. He started his own business. He created a website when people could sold and buy items or product. What did he create? Yes, he created a website that could people buy and sold items or products like Amazon, like eBay, like AliExpress, okay, like those websites. So he created her own website that people could sell and buy items. The website became very popular and Andrew became very rich or wealthy. Very rich equal wealthy, okay, the same. We can say very rich and we can say wealthy, okay. And so Andrew also became very famous on social media. He became what? Yes, he became famous, okay? Famous. A lot of people know him. Famous, like Cristiano Ronaldo, like Lionel Messi, like Jeff Bezos, okay? Very famous, okay? A lot of people know him and a lot of people follow him on Instagram and Facebook and all the social media platforms. He made videos and posts about his life and his opinions. Many people liked him and follow him on Instagram and Facebook, on all of the social media platforms. However, some people did not like Andrew. They didn't like Andrew. They hate Andrew. They criticize him for his opinion and his lifestyle. Andrew did not care, okay? And he continued to do what he wanted. Andrew is a man who does not give up easily. He works hard and follows his dream, his goal. He is an inspiration to many people. This is the end of the story. أتمنى أن تكون قد أعجبتك القصة. إذا أعجبتك لا تنسى الضغط على زر الاشتراك، هذا يساعدني كثيرا وأيضا لانتشار الفائدة. That's all. See you.